Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. We want to find the value of this expression 8 and 1 over 3 divided by 4 and 1 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. 8 times 3 gives us 24 and 24 plus 1 equals 25. So 25 over 3 divided by 4 times 3 gives us 12 and 12 plus 1 equals 13. So 13 over 3. Now we can apply the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 25 over 3 times 3 over 13. Now we can easily cancel this 3 and this 3, and we have just 25 over 13. Now we can convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. 25 can be written as 13 plus 12 over 13. Okay? 13 divided by 13 equals 1. So 1 and 12 over 13. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 and 12 over 13.